Hello, my name is Elissa Opp. I am from Troop 2290. I am 14 years old, and today I will be performing a dramatic piece by Adam S. called Rare Birds. Thank you. Okay, this is it. I always thought that doesn't matter. I always thought that somehow, someday, I could figure out what I'm good for. But now it's clear I'm not good for anything. I guess I should say don't blame yourself. This isn't your fault. No, screw it. If you feel just a little bit sorry for me at all, it's your fault. Mom, it's your fault. Dad, it's your fault. All the teachers, the students, the principal, it's your fault. I want the guilt to eat you up. I want you to have wondered what you should have done for the rest of your life. What am I talking about? No one will miss me, no one will care, no one will feel bad. You will all be happier if I just left. So I guess I'll never get to kiss a boy or see a red-crowned crane in the wild. What's the point of that anyway? It's just a dumb bird, right? Nobody cares about dumb, ugly, stupid birds, right? I'm sorry for being in your lives, for wasting your time. Okay. This is it. Goodbye. Thank you.